Hi there, I'm Misty Ann, back with another wardrobe planning quick tip for you. This week I have another guest quick tipper. Jodi Skorupski is back. She has got some great scoop on this nice soft flannel, feminine flannel trend. Before we get to Jodi though, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and make sure to join me this weekend for another wardrobe planning session, this time with my friend Jennifer Hernandez in her fabulous closet. And check out last week's trip with Jodi. That is where we picked up this quick tip, and we also got some great tips on picking out jeans. All right, Jodi, take it away.
All right, so tell me about, I was drawn to that darker blue, which, what is that? What brand is that?
This is Rails, and when Rails first started out, it was revolutionary in that he came up with these flannel shirts that had a drape to them. So instead of, standing stiff like your dad's flannel shirt, this one was much more feminine and easy.
Feels amazing.
And it had this kind of je ne sais quoi, right? Like the original designer is, I think he's from SoCal, so he has that kind of vibe.
Okay.
So anyways, when it came out, it was like this big deal.
Yeah.
And he still comes out with these really great styles that, last many seasons and are very comfortable. But at, I think getting accustomed to paying, I think it was $158 for a flannel shirt.
Yeah.
Takes a little bit of a mind switch, right?
Right.
And since then, other brands have caught on, and they're like, oh, if I can make this shirt, and women are going to love it.
Yep.
So when you were drawn to this shirt, my comment was, while Rails does do, some shirts that I think are really cute and unique and special, this particular one is probably not that unique, and you can probably get something similar at least $100 less or $90 less price point. So if we're talking about budgeting, then this is not where I would choose to put this sum of money.
Okay.
So we would just happen to come across this shirt, which, although you're not drawn to the pattern as much, it does have that kind of similar drape to it, and it's nice and soft. And so we can say, okay, it exists, and this one by Vince Camuto, I think was $68 or $89.
And I know I like that brand because that's the white jacket you got me.
Yes. So worth saying, okay, there's other stuff out there. It's worth hunting maybe for a pattern you're drawn to at a better price point.